Dear students, good morning to all. Now we are going to discuss about how to score maximum marks, that is 300 plus in NEET Biology. As you all know that in NEET exam, 50% weightage is given to biology subject. As per NEET syllabus, for biology, there are 10 units are there. The question-wise distribution from these 10 units is given here. The first unit is diversity of living world of 11th biology subject, from which 6 questions are asked from botany side and 3 questions from zoology side. Total 9 questions are asked from diversity of living world. The second unit is structural organization in plants and animals, from which 8 questions may be asked. The third unit is a very easiest and simplest unit, cell biology, in which 8 questions are asked. Mostly the cell biology are from botany side. The fourth unit is plant physiology. From plant physiology, 8 questions may be asked. The fifth unit is the most important unit from zoology subject, human physiology. As you all, to become a doctor, you should know about human organ system and human anatomy. That's why more weightage is given to this chapter, human physiology. 15 questions, 12 to 15 questions may be asked from human physiology. It's mostly application oriented. More and more concepts, you should thorough about the concepts. You should have crystal clear understanding about each and every concept. You should practice more number of questions from human physiology, then only you ask, then only you will answer all the questions. The sixth chapter is reproduction in plants, then human reproduction and reproductive health. From botany side, 8 questions are asked, 4 questions from zoology side, total 12 questions are asked from this unit. The seventh unit is genetics and evolution. It's somewhat a little bit tougher unit in biology. In genetics, mostly mathematical concepts are given. Evolution is a little bit easier chapter. From botany side, 8 questions are asked, 4 questions from zoology side. Molecular base of inheritance, then principles of inheritance are very important concepts are there. You should thorough about all these concepts, then only you could answer all the 12 questions. The 8th unit is biology in human welfare, which is very easiest unit. You can score full marks from this. Botany side 2 questions, zoology side 3 questions. Total 5 questions are asked from biology in human welfare. The 9th chapter is an important chapter. Is very less concepts are there. Biotechnology. From biotechnology 5 questions are asked. If you know all the concepts, you can easily score 20 marks from these 5 questions. Then the last one is the ecology. The ecology is very easiest chapter, from which 8 questions are asked, 3 from botany side and 5 from zoology side, total 8 questions. Totally 90 questions are asked from biology, 5 units from 11th biology up to human physiology. From reproduction to ecology, it's from 12th biology subject. Out of these 10 units, I prefer the most important units are the 5 units are the most important unit. I give first preference to ecology. Ecology, we have 8 questions, but the concepts are very easiest concepts are there in ecology. If you thorough about the concepts, you can score more marks. 8 questions you can answer without any negative marks. You can easily answer 8 questions. Ecology is the very easiest topic, so that I prefer first ecology. The next one is the human physiology. Human physiology, 15 questions are there. Human physiology, if you thorough about all the concepts of human physiology, mostly application-oriented concepts are given. If you know about all the concepts with crystal clear understanding, you can practice more number of questions from human physiology, then you can score more marks from human physiology. Then the third importance should given to cell biology. It's a very easiest unit from botany. 8 questions are asked from this chapter. you can easily answer all the questions. Mostly mitosis, meiosis, cell organelles, then biomolecules are the important concepts in cell biology. Then biotechnology. The biotechnology, 5 questions are asked from biotechnology. Very lesser number of concepts are there. Very smallest unit. So you can score more marks if you thorough about all the concepts. You can get the full marks from biotechnology. Then genetics and evolution. Genetics is a little bit toughest subject. Mostly mathematical oriented, little bit mathematical oriented questions may ask from genetics. Evolution is a little bit easier topic. You can score, if you know all the concepts, you can score full marks. 12 questions are asked from this. So out of 10 units, these 5 units are very important units. Ecology, biotechnology, genetics and evolution, human physiology and cell biology. You should give more importance to these 5 units. You can get more than 300 plus marks in NEET biology. All the best.